fall on me, huh?
Okay, now you go down the steps.
No, you're going down the steps. And this is open because.
Are you meditating this?
Make sure the kitty don't get it close the door. Oh! It's low.
Can you come back with you? Yes, you're going backwards. Good morning.
Oh!
I saw the fish go. I was like, oh god, here it goes.
Shower now.
Where do you want me to put this?
Yeah.